Dear students, now we will do exercise 8D, question number 3. Evaluate 1 minus square bracket 1 minus braces 1 minus parenthesis 1 minus 1 plus x parenthesis braces and square bracket close and pendulum above 1 plus x when x is equals to 1. Okay, in the first step, I have written the question, and in the next step, this is the solution. In the first step, what we have to do is we will copy this one from the above step minus square bracket 1 minus braces 1 minus parenthesis 1 minus 1 up till this all the numbers are copied down from the above step. Now you can see there is changing here. Positive sign is changed into negative sign. To remove venculum, why we have changed positive sign into negative sign? Because when we have to remove this venculum, first step is to remove the venculum, and when we have to remove this venculum, we have to change this sign which is just below the venculum. Just below the venculum is positive, it will be changed into negative and venculum will be removed. This is x is a variable, and here in the question the value of x equals 1, so we will substitute the value of x. Instead of x we will write the value of x, which is 1. Okay, now in the next step, what is going on? 1 negative sign, square bracket, 1 negative sign, braces, 1 negative sign, up till this is copied down from the above step. Then negative 1. When we will solve these numbers 1, negative 1 and negative 1 in the parentheses, it will give us negative 1. Okay, how this gives us negative 1? I will explain you using my pencil. This one means positive 1. Okay, this negative 1 and this negative 1. Positive 1 means positive sign and negative 1 means negative sign, and this is the other negative sign. Positive sign will cancel the negative sign and only one negative sign is left, so negative 1. We will not remove the parenthesis in this step because of this negative sign, and because of negative sign outside the parenthesis. There is a negative sign outside the parenthesis, that's why the negative 1 will remain inside the parenthesis. Now in the next step, 1 and this minus the square bracket 1 minus braces up till braces, we have copied down all these numbers and signs from the above step. Okay, then 1 and this, we have to remove parentheses in this step, and when we will remove the parentheses we will change the negative sign into positive sign. Why we will change the negative one into positive one? Because of this negative sign will be multiplied by negative sign. Negative multiplied by negative gives us a positive sign or positive one. Okay. In the next step is, you can see 1 negative sign, square bracket, 1 and this negative sign. Up till this we have copied down all these numbers and down in this step. When we have to simplify um, the braces. Inside the braces you can see 1 plus 1. This one is positive 1. Positive 1 plus positive 1 gives us positive 2. Positive 2 will be inside the braces because of this negative sign. Okay. In the next step we will remove the braces. and you can see that, and this is negative, and 2 has a positive sign. Let me explain you like this. 2 has a positive sign, and braces means multiplication. Negative sign multiplied by positive sign gives us this negative sign, this one. Okay, and we will remove the braces now from this step. In the next step, 1 minus, and now we will simplify. 1 means positive 1. Positive 1 means positive sign 1 time, and negative 2 means negative sign 2 times. Positive sign will cancel negative sign, and negative 1, this negative 1. We will keep the negative sign inside the square bracket because of this negative sign which is outside the square bracket. In the next step, you can see that this negative 1 is changed into positive 1. Why? Because when we will remove the braces in this last step, we have to multiply this negative sign with negative sign. It will becomes a positive 1. Now this one is positive. Positive 1 gives us positive 2.